Hello everybody and welcome to the IMS Classifieds demo. We are about to show you our cutting edge software and how it can drastically increase your phone calls and decrease your labor time for sites such as Craigslist and other classified sites that we work with. This demo will specifically go through Craigslist because that's what we know is important to everybody first and foremost. So let me take you into the software here. You'll get a login box that will appear on your screen like this, and you can actually log into your license that our team will be creating for you. And once you log into the software, it's very simple. You have an advert manager where you're going to build and edit your ads, or actually even import your ads from a Craigslist account that you currently have. I can show you how this works right now. And you'll just select a Craigslist account that you can load into our software. You can load as many as you want, and you'll actually be able to select one of your accounts, click OK, and our system's going to go in and scrape your content so you don't need to build any ads once you sign up with us if you have ads to currently work with. So just to show you how this works really quick, we have some sample ads here. Let's just grab, let's say, dealer furniture 2, 3, and 5. And we could select this whole list if we wanted to. Let's grab this one here and this last one here. When I click continue, it's going to quickly grab all that content and it's going to move it into your inventory, so you don't have to worry about building ads, which I'll show you next after you can see how easy our importing process works here. Okay, so let's scroll to the bottom of our account here. And as you can see, we have all of these dealer furniture adverts that we asked for. Now they're ready for posting. So if we would like, we can also build an ad ourselves. We simply come over to create advert and we go into our list, and you can make dealer ads for credit card posting or owner ads for posting for free currently if you are involved in that marketplace. You also can post jobs, all service categories, and even real estate agents. You can get a hold of this too. So let's go ahead and build a dealer ad for, let's say, credit card posting. We'll simply select the category for dealer and go in, and let's do an easy category like furniture. We'll click continue, and now we have this very easy window to work with that actually puts in your fields that you only need to work with here. So let's do a ad such as great black leather couch, call today. Now we have our easy optimizer module that's built in here. This is where you can actually give Craigslist keywords that you would like to rank for this item and actually dominate for those keywords and relevancy searches on Craigslist like you haven't seen before. Let's do another one like office couch. Let's even do brown leather couch. Maybe someone wants black if they're looking for brown. And let's even do an off one like white leather couch. Now most people are used to putting these keywords in other sections on here in make, model, size. Craigslist isn't really using those parameters too much anymore. We're constantly updating our software to involve the Craigslist algorithm to get you the most relevant ads possible, as you'll see that in a few minutes here. So let's go ahead and put in some information here for a zip code. And let's just go ahead and paste in some blase content. Let's go to copy. Actually, we'll just write in some good stuff. Okay, we have enough there. Let's select the condition of this. Like new, you'll have the option of showing it on maps or including more users to see the rest of your inventory if you're doing paid ads. Then we just can easily go to upload images. We have a very simple image uploader. Let's just go to pictures and let's just select all these stock photos that we have here. Go to open. And you can see here now we have a preview of all these images. You can double click on them to remove them out of the list like this. Once those are in, okay, so now that we have those images uploaded and we can preview them, We're ready to save this ad. I can just maybe take one last step of optimization here, and let's just say put this into these parameters like people like to do. Or you're welcome to put your normal sizing. It really won't make a difference. Each ad with our system, you can put a custom or different phone number, name, and extension at the top. You can select either by phone or by text checkboxes for these people. And after that point, we can go ahead and click save on this ad. Now we've created this brand new ad at the bottom of our list here. We can see it at the bottom. Imported them. The next stage is Campaign Manager. This is very easy to use, where you can make custom campaigns for running on a daily process. If you want to post certain ads in certain cities, it's very easy to do. Let me show you an example of this. Let's go ahead and make a new campaign here. So on the right hand side, we have this nice interface where you can click new campaign. You'll select the ads that you're going to want to post. I can easily select more than one ad. For this campaign purpose, let's just do one ad. Let me get this great black leather couch ad we just created here. And now in locations, I have the option of any location in the US. You can select multiple locations at once to do basically nationwide posting in the paid markets with our software without needing extra IP addresses or Craigslist accounts. So let's just do this to a city like Long Beach, California, and let's do Orange County, California, and post this one ad in two different cities at the same time without putting in any effort. So let's go ahead and give this campaign a name for OCLA posting. And what we'll do is we'll come over here and click save. So now easily we've made this new custom campaign that we can run that will post this ad in those cities at any point. So let's go ahead and look at some of these other options here, which we have a title randomizer, description randomizer, image randomizer, and text on image randomization. So this is more for people that are involved in the owner posting market. This will actually help make your ads much more unique to Craigslist, like a snowflake every time, which is going to increase your odds of getting your ads to stick on a higher level. So for this purpose on the credit card posting, we don't really need to use any of these features. So let's go ahead and run this campaign. So what I'll do is click start. I have the option here of using a multitude of Craigslist accounts that I have loaded inside the system. I'm going to use my primary credit card account, which is this one. Now I have an interval between the ads that I can set. You can set this to 60 minutes, 5 minutes, even 1 minute for our purposes, even 0 minutes if you would like. Now we're just going to put in our credit card information and our CVV number, because the rest of your card information is pre-saved on our system, so there's no possible chance of encryption or data loss. We use SSL certificates, 128-bit encryption, and we also interact with the Craigslist servers directly via Java and bypass using a web browser like everybody else out there does. And by doing this, your data is more protected than phishing filters and things that are lurking on browsers all day long these days. So I'm going to quickly pull this window out of use so I can put in my credit card information and start this campaign so everyone can see how this works. And the point of this setup is, let's say you have 10 or 20 ads running. You just basically import your credit card one time, post it out in 10 or 15 cities at once, and you're good to go. So we'll quickly post these ads, and we will then verify them inside of our Craigslist account that we have open here. So with one click of the mouse, I am now uploading and selecting the type of ad that I want. I'm going into the category of the ad, and I will begin uploading my information to Craigslist via the IMS classified system. And this is very easy to follow and look at and learn in your first 48 hours of using the software. Our company has a great onboarding department for making sure you're an expert on the software that actually comes with your subscription with our company, and you never have to be worried about our software going obsolete. We've been doing this for over 12 years now, and we're well aware of Craigslist making changes and evolving with the marketplace. And once you see a couple more features of our software, I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised. So we'll go ahead and watch this ad complete and finish. It's in the uploading images phase of the process, if you can see here. And once this one posts, it will immediately go into the next posting, putting this ad in a completely different city and optimizing these ads for the keywords that we put into our easy optimizer. And we'll go ahead and be able to search for these ads or some of the other ads on our system that have already landed today, and show you how cool and great the relevancy results are once you're using our software with our Easy Optimizer system. Okay, we're in the final stage of publishing now. The ad is now taking your credit card information and inputting it into the Craigslist server directly. Okay, there we have it, posted and paid. So that ad's completely done, and here we go, firing off another ad into another city. This is incredibly important for people that want to get all their ads up at, let's say, 8 a.m. in the morning across multiple cities without waiting for a dramatic amount of time, so you get that traffic window that you're trying to go after. Our system can also be used to time release your ads throughout the day, which will allow you to collect more traffic from the day without even coming back to your computer once the campaign has been turned on. Our system can run for up to 72 hours or longer, posting ads on an 8-hour interval, let's say, or 4-hour interval, or whatever you're looking for. It can be basically customized to whatever you want. You are in complete control of your advertising with our system. So after this second ad is done loading, I'll go ahead and verify these inside of our Craigslist account. And let's go ahead and just do some fun searches really quick to show where we're getting some of these rankings out of the amount of ads that are actually competing for these keywords. So let's let this ad go ahead and finish here. It will be finished in the next few seconds. We can actually leave this in the background here and just show some of our results. So these are ads that we've posted today, and we try to make them a little bit different. We'll verify these with you. So we made a nice tangerine office couch. Call now. Let me go ahead and open this ad up here. And you can see our friendly koala bear that we have on top. Nice tangerine office couch. Let's just grab the word office couch out of this and go into furniture by dealer in Orange County. And let's go ahead and do a search for office couch and see how we do. Oh, there we are. We're the #1 ad out of 100 results locally for this. Let's go ahead and actually change up the spelling, because Craigslist actually relates to what letters you're using, capitals or lowercase. So we get one more ad in the count here, but we are still #1 out of 101 results on this. Let's go back over to our account and take another ad. Let's use one of our pillow top ads here that we've posted. So let's take a look at this ad really quick. We can see images coming soon. We see our phone number stamping on the home page and some optimization put in. Let's just use a word like king size mattress, and we'll take it down from there a little bit. Okay, you can see we control the first 1 and 2 spots out of 421 ads total. So we have these 2 ads posted. Let's go back to our Craigslist account. Let's refresh this account, and we'll see these nice 2 new ads sitting in top of our account. There they are right here. Credit card posting with one click of a mouse without you doing any of this monotonous manual posting. Plus, these ads are going to rank all over the place on Craigslist for what you're trying to go for. So as we're moving down the software here, we can see that we also provide a renewing and reposting script inside of our system. This will allow you to actually repost expired ads that are months and months old and bring them back to life with Craigslist. And you can also renew ads that are actually renewable on a timed interval. You can actually select a max limit that you want to renew for the day, as to not over renew your ads and keeping your ads on top for day-to-day basis instead of doing them all in one day and then not having them the next. It allows you to time release your ads in a competent way, not to burn out of your renewals too fast or whatnot. So the feature that we're going to finish with is our Spotlight Manager. Our Spotlight Manager is a beautiful tool because what we can do here is set a daily system with our ads that we have here for, let's say, our furniture ads, which we're posting into this category. So let's select a couple furniture ads that we have on our system here, and we'll set up our daily swapping. Now this is going to allow you to put other content on your Craigslist billboards, which are same as your ads, Craigslist billboards, and change your ads dynamically. So what we offer is dynamic ads versus static ads. So after I select a couple of these ads in our dealer furniture section, you'll have a better idea of how this works. So let's just use some of these sample ads that we have here, and let's grab one more here. So now that we've selected our ads, we'll go ahead and click continue. And now we'll choose the account that we want to swap into. So we'll click find adverts for our account where we have our paid postings in. So what our system will do is actually take ads from our system that you've built in bulk in your inventory manager, and now allow you to take those, let's say, 100 ads and rotate those ads into your 5 ads you paid Craigslist for throughout the day dynamically, which is going to cause you to get more phone calls than your competitors because their ads stay looking the same all day and your ads actually change. So let's just say we want to swap for these 5 ads inside of our system. Let's go ahead and choose this one, and we'll choose one of these two. So we can actually use our randomizers on these ads if we want. You can actually use this in the owner section to rotate your owner content as well. So let's go ahead and set this for 20 minutes, and I'll go ahead and click the start button. And now you get a window that pops up, which this will remain turned on until you turn it off. So this will run on a 24-hour basis for you, constantly manipulating and rotating your ads and showing your ads as updated at the bottom minutes ago versus posted 10 days ago. And Craigslist customers are smart. When they see your content, you have to have that edge over your competitors to get that phone call out of them. And nothing is working better than our system replacing your ads dynamically and getting all that information accurate for you. You're going to see a 300% increase in your phone calls, which is our standard rule for people only buying 10 or 20 ads a month, because they're rotating their content and they're attracting more buyers like this. So it has already started working on the first ad and is publishing it. Now it's moving on to the next ad in the run. So it's going to wait 20 to 30 seconds. So just to show you a quick idea of how this works, I'll go ahead and refresh my Craigslist page here. And now you can see this ad just changed here, call for nice leather couch. But imagine that. Imagine buying 10 ads on Craigslist and showing 100 things that you want to sell. That's the potential of our system. Let's turn your ads into billboards on Craigslist that can show whatever message you want to people driving by and keep you ranked on top of Craigslist with our easy optimization system like we looked at earlier. So if you need more information, please give us a call back and we'll be more than happy to help you, or someone on our expert staff can answer any more questions for you that you have. Thank you for watching this presentation.